we are going to discuss about flower. The flower is the reproductive structure, or it is modified especially for reproduction. It is a modified condensed shoot. So it is also a modified shoot. So a shoot is having, or the stem is having nodes and internodes. At every node some leaves are present. Here also in the flower, the nodes and internodes, here leaves are present. So these leaves are called as floral leaves. Here if you see the some parts of flower, here at where the flower is, or the stalk like structure is attached, in this place a small hair like structure is present. It is called as bract. So in some flowers bracts are present, and the stalk like structure, this stalk like structure is called as pedicel. On the pedicel a small hair like structures are present. These are known as bracteoles. So the pedicel tip is swollen. So this swollen portion is known as thalamus or receptacle. So it is thalamus. Thalamus or receptacle. On this receptacle or thalamus, all the floral leaves are attached. On the thalamus, here some nodes and internodes are present. So it is the first nodal region, and it is the second node, third node and fourth node. 4 nodes are present. So on the first node or on the outer wall, here the green color structures are present, or modified leaves, floral leaves. So these floral leaves are called as here calyx or sepals. So at the first node some parts are present, or leaf like structures are present. So these leaf like structures are called as calyx. Here calyx is the group of sepals. So the members of calyx are called as sepals, and it is second wall. The second wall is called as corolla. So the corolla is having a number of petals. The petals are generally in different colors. They are attracting the insect. Okay. So here the petals are present on the second node, and at the third node, here androecium or stamens are present. At the third node, the whorl is called as androecium. So the androecium is having number of leaf like structures, or the modified leaves called as stamens. And at the fourth node, here carpels are present. At the fourth node, the floral leaves are called as carpels. So the carpels are here forming the gynoecium. So it is the gynoecium is composed of number of carpels. So in the flower, bract, hair like structure, and the stalk like structure is pedicel, and in the pedicel number of small hair like structures are present, called as bracteoles. The swollen region, the pedicel is swollen, and this swollen part is called as thalamus or receptacle. On the receptacle, here 4 nodes are present. First node, second, third, fourth node. On the 4 nodes, floral leaves are arranged. So on the first wall, calyx, second wall is called as corolla, third wall androecium, fourth wall gynoecium. So these are composed of a number of floral leaves. So it is about flower. Okay, the floral parts are mainly here calyx, corolla, androecium, gynoecium. So in this only calyx and corolla are considered as non-essential organs, and androecium and gynoecium is they are considered as here essential organs. calyx, corolla, androecium, gynoecium. First node floral leaves together called as calyx, second node floral leaves together called as corolla, a third part is androecium, fourth one is gynoecium. So, in these four whorls, these two together called as non-essential organs. And the third and fourth whorls are called as essential organs. Calyx and corolla, they are not important for sexual reproduction. So, that is why they are considered as non-essential organs. And androecium and gynoecium, so these two are together called as essential organs. They are important for the sexual reproduction, pollination, fertilization, production of fruit and seeds. These two are essential. So, that is why these are known as essential organs. Here, if you see in the flower, different parts are there. So, all these parts are arranged in different ways. And here sometimes the flower is having all the parts, calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. If all these parts are present, it is considered as complete flower. If any one is missing, that is called as incomplete flower. Sometimes flowers are having only one type of sexual organ. These two are sexual organs. So, androecium is male sexual organ, gynoecium is female sexual organ. If two sexual organs are present, that is called as bisexual flower. Bisexual flower. Here bisexual flower means a male and female sexual organs both are present. And if only one type of sexual organ is present, it is called as unisexual flower. Unisexual flowers are of two types. Male flowers are having only stamens, and female flowers are having only carpels or gynoecium. Bisexual flower is having two sexual organs within the same flower. So, it is here stamen and gynoecium, or androecium and gynoecium both are present. It is bisexual flower. If any one is missing, it is called as unisexual flower. These are of two types, male and female. If only stamens are present, it is a male flower. If only gynoecium or carpels are present, that is a female flower. So, it is about sexuality of a flower.